Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you how to make a cute baby shoe for girl. I'm using 2.5 mm and a yarn. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, I will chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13 chain. Skip 3. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one make 1 double crochet. Then in 8 stitches make 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I done my 8 double crochet. Now in the last one I will make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now make 1 double crochet in 8 stitches. In last stitch make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first double crochet. This one is the first double crochet. So this is my first row. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. In the same stitch make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 double crochet. Make double crochet in 9 stitches. Sorry, it was 8 double crochet. So in 6 stitches make 2 double crochet. In 6 stitches make 2 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in 8 stitches. One, two, three, 4, and this one is my 5th. Now in 5 stitches make 2 double crochet. 2 double crochet for 2 times in 5 stitches, and make a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Now I have my sole ready. So let's start. One, 2, 3, and make back post in all stitches. Back post, double crochet, back post, insert your hook from the back and pull a loop and make double crochet. This is a back loop, this one double crochet, back loop. It is called back post. So do it in all stitches. Now I complete my first row of upper side back post in all stitches. Now I'm here to the end, so I will make half double crochet through all in the stitches till to the end. In the same stitch make half double crochet, and in all when you came to the middle, this is the middle, make 1 decrease. And 24 stitches, and in the middle make a decrease, 1 decrease. Now this is my end. Sorry. Make a slip stitch and make it tight here. Cut the extra yarn. Now my shoe is completed. This is my shoe. Put a button here, and now your little cute shoe is ready. If you want to put a flower and a leaf here, it's up to you, or a bow, anything you want to. It look very beautiful, and make it for your loved ones. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.